Y'all small tuna fish and one big catch.
This is a Sharktales
Here we go again.
2004 phenomenal hit.
Let's drop it on them like this.
You might not ever get rich. Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might meet. A movie star or maybe a common thief working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash. Sing it with him now. Working at the car wash, yeah. Some of the work is kinda hard. This ain't no place to be if you're planning on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool. None of us don't mind sometimes if you're acting like a fool. Working at the car wash. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. At the car wash, yeah. Come on. At the car wash. Now come on and work it with me now. At the car wash, yeah. And work. Well, those cars never stop coming. Work and work. Those grinding machines coming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. You wanna can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you're gonna have to pay. Hey, get your car washed today. Give it up right away.
Car wash. Sharks in the water make their jaws lock. When I swim through the grim, I'm too hot. Y'all can make your bets, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one big catch.
Shark Slayer.
Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst nightmare. Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this up and bang it all up on your surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stack coming. No matter how big the shark gets, the bite keep running. Washing cars ain't no place to be a superstar, man. That's why I work and work.
Working at the car wash. At the car wash, yeah. Come on, work it, baby, work it. Send out the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. So come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now keep it coming. So you may not ever get rich, but I am. Hey, get your car washed today. Hey, get your car washed today. Hey, get your car washed today.
Phenomenal hit.
Wow! Hiya, Garrett.
Hi, Rawr.
You want to go for a ride?
On what?
On this!
Barbie's such a bitch. She is just a witch.
I really hate her. Why does Ken date her?
Ken is such a man.